Okay, if you're on the controls, this is where you can customize your buttons for your submit forms, like your login forms. If you have a look here, you can change your shape of your buttons. If you want to make it a bit rounder, you can do that. If you want to make it a bit bigger, just want to change the font here. Actually, you can change the font. And then as passive is like when it's standing there, you can change it. If someone hovers over it, what type of color? I like that one, which it's currently set to. Once it has been pressed, you can change it. And then here is some functions that you can change, but we mostly do not use them. It's just your search boxes. If you want to insert a search box, as you can see, here's one here. There's one that's been put into the header area. So that's basically what you can use them for. Your footer button will basically then be able to change all of your footer details. You can change the position and the length if you wanted to show on the full width of the page, as you can see that it's stretched, or you can keep it inside the sheet as it was. You can also fill your footer with a color, and then you can also change your text color, your text font. And yeah, you can change your hyperlink colors and fonts, which will be those links at the bottom. And you can align your texts. So that's basically it for the footer. Once you are done with your template and you're happy the way it looks, I know this is now not a very nice and professional one, but it really takes, you need to plan your templates when you design a template, so that you know for what type of site it is, and you should already plan ahead the type of colors you want to use, the images you're going to be using, just make it a bit more easier. But once you are done with that, that's why I said I'll come back to this option. This is when you need to export it, so that you can use it in your Joomla site. Now on the trial version that you'll be using, you won't be able to export it, but if you do upgrade and purchase the program, if you want to export it to a Joomla template so that you can use it in a Joomla site, you can just click on Joomla template, and you can select your version of Joomla that you are using, Joomla 1.5 or Joomla 2.5. Then you can change how you want your positions to be named in your template, in your Joomla backend. I'll advise you to keep it to the basics, or the easiest one is to use it as left, right, top and bottom. You can rename your template. I'll rename it test Joomla Pro, and then you can export it now to a folder where you can save it, so that when you're in the Joomla administrator area, so that you can just also upload it, and then you click on export and you're done. That's how you create a template with the template software that's available. We'll now move on to lesson number 2.